Hello, everyone. Welcome to Research Hub. Most people still think Gemini is just a chatbot. But what if I told you it can generate full business-ready files for you in seconds? I'm talking about polished PDF reports, interactive dashboards, Google Sheets with automated analytics, executive documents, markdown project files, and even collaborative planning systems, all from a single conversation. And honestly, once you see this workflow, you'll never look at AI the same way again. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to turn raw data into professional files using Gemini without designing anything manually. Now let's move beyond business analytics and use something researchers actually work with. I'm uploading a raw research dataset containing survey responses, literature review findings, citation trends, participant demographics, statistical results, publication patterns, and research performance metrics. Normally, turning all of this into a professional academic report would take hours of formatting, organizing, and visualization. But watch this. Prompt: create a clean academic-style PDF report from this research dataset. Include a professional title page, abstract, structured sections, charts, statistical insights, key findings, methodology summary, tables, conclusions, and research recommendations formatted like a polished university or journal report. Within seconds, Gemini transforms raw research data into a beautifully structured academic report. And this isn't just plain text organized on a page. It automatically creates headings, summaries, research sections, charts, tables, findings, methodology breakdowns, conclusions, and properly formatted layouts. Now, your messy research instantly looks like something prepared by a professional research team or academic institution. Now, let's use the exact same research dataset again, but this time, instead of generating a PDF report, we're creating a live academic research tracking system. Prompt: build a Google Sheets research tracker using this dataset with participant monitoring, survey analytics, response tracking, statistical summaries, publication trends, monthly research progress, automated charts, and visual reporting dashboards. And this is where things get really powerful. Gemini doesn't just place raw research data inside a spreadsheet. It automatically creates formulas, organized tabs, statistical tracking systems, response analysis sections, dashboards, charts, progress monitoring, and structured reporting layouts. Basically, it builds the entire research management framework for you. So instead of spending hours formatting spreadsheets manually, researchers can instantly get a professional academic tracking system ready for analysis, collaboration, and reporting. Now we take it one step further. This is no longer just a spreadsheet or tracker. It becomes a fully interactive analytics dashboard. Prompt: create an interactive research analytics dashboard using the dataset. Include visual representations of participant demographics, survey response distributions, sentiment analysis, research topic trends, country-wise participation, and data quality metrics. Add interactive filters for gender, age group, education level, and research topic, with clickable sections for deeper drill-down analysis. And this is where everything becomes visually powerful. Gemini doesn't just summarize data anymore. It builds a complete dashboard system with dynamic charts, KPI cards, filters, breakdown views, and structured visual analytics panels. You can explore the data by clicking, filtering, and drilling down into insights instantly. Instead of manually designing dashboards in tools like Excel or BI software for hours, the AI generates the entire interactive analytics experience automatically, ready for exploration, reporting, and decision-making. Now, imagine taking everything one step further. We're not just building reports, trackers, or dashboards anymore. We're building an entire executive-level reporting system in one automated workbook. Prompt: transform this research project into a multi-tab executive workbook. Include separate sheets for participant analytics, survey insights, demographic breakdowns, sentiment analysis, research trends, monthly performance summaries, data quality checks, and strategic recommendations. Add automated charts, pivot tables, and executive summary visuals designed for decision makers. What makes this powerful is how the system behaves before it even builds the file. Gemini starts acting like a real data analyst. It asks clarifying questions, such as, who is the final audience? Academic, corporate, or policymakers? What level of detail is required? Summary versus deep analysis? Which KPIs or research variables matter most? Should the output be publication-ready or internal use only? So instead of blindly generating a spreadsheet, it first understands intent like a human analyst would. And once it builds the workbook, you don't just get raw tables. You get a structured intelligence system. Multiple organized tabs, automated statistical summaries, visual dashboards embedded across sheets, trend analysis and comparisons, executive-level insight sections, recommendation blocks based on data patterns. In short, what normally takes hours of manual Excel work, formatting, and analysis now becomes a fully structured executive reporting workbook generated in minutes. Now let's create something designed for speeding up to keep up. AI in the research process. Prompt: leadership document, AI in research example. Create a strategic leadership document for CEOs, academic directors, and research teams on speeding up to keep up. AI in the research process. Include an executive summary, current challenges in modern research workflows, top priorities ranked by impact, and recommended actions with timelines for AI adoption in research systems. Executive summary. AI is transforming research workflows by significantly reducing time spent on data collection, analysis, and reporting. However, institutions face adoption gaps, skill limitations, and ethical concerns. And the system updates the leadership document in real time, turning static reporting into a continuously evolving AI-powered strategy brief. Now here's one of the smartest use cases. You can ask Gemini to generate a Markdown instruction file containing the entire workflow from your project. Prompt: create a Markdown workflow file summarizing goals, processes, implementation steps, recommendations, and outputs from this research project on AI in education and digital learning. Include a clear research example dataset, analysis process, and final reporting structure. Instead of rebuilding research workflows every time, you now have a self-contained AI workflow file that can instantly load your entire research system into any AI platform. If you found this useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe, because I'll be sharing more advanced AI workflows, automation systems, and productivity tools that can save you
Don't forget
hours
like,
of
share,
work
and
every
subscribe
single
my channel.
week. Thanks for watching.